We're here to enjoy a matchup that football fans are sure to relish. Which side will step up and deliver? It's all coming up next on EA TV.
Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. My name's Guy Mowbray. I'm joined by Sue Smith in the commentary position. We've got a game coming up from Major League Soccer. Sue, what can we expect from the game then?
Yeah, thanks as always, Guy. It's a pleasure to be here. Anticipating a good game today and an atmosphere to match. Certainly been buzzing in here ahead of kick-off. Hopefully, we're not disappointed.
Cheers. Good luck. Good game. Thanks. Cheers. Nick. Good luck. Good luck. Thanks. Good game. Thanks a lot. Have a great game. Thanks. Good game. Thanks. Cheers. Good luck. Thanks. Hey. Right. Good luck. Cheers. Game out there.
Here's how the home side lines up.
Yeah, looks like they've lined up in a 4-4-2, and they do look balanced in this system. You can defend deep, stay compact, bring the opposition forward, then hit them quickly on the counter-attack.
This is the lineup for the visitors.
Yeah, looks like a 4-5-1 or a 4-2-3-1. This can be quite an attacking lineup with the three progressive players behind the lone striker, but you've still got that defensive protection with the two midfielders holding.
Off we go, the match is underway. We'll have a go here, and that's not a bad save at all. Delivered into the box. And that one is got away. Now, this has to be. They've lost it there, and the attack is over. Read the pass well and cuts it out. Moving forward well. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. That's a good ball. Oh, here we go. Free kick given. And they'll be queuing up to take it from here. And just wide of the mark, goal kick.
Yeah, the keeper seems to have it covered. Not a bad effort, though.
Could turn out to be a really good ball. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. And that one is got away. This is a lovely spell of possession. Now to deliver a good ball in. This could be dangerous to put them ahead. And it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. It's played in now. And he's got that one away. There's a chance for them to go now. Lovely weighted pass. And the keeper's done, and deflected by the keeper against the crossbar. Untidy in possession there. Just sitting off here, inviting pressure. Having a try, but it's a tame try, or at least that's how the goalkeeper's made it appear. Vitor Costa. Cristian Arango. And possession given away. Could get it over now. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. There's good width to this attack now. Looking to cut inside. Oh, top quality goalkeeping to deny what looked a likely goal. And here it comes. It's only halfway clear. Oh, it's a nightmare for him, that. It looked a really good chance to score. And able to come away with the ball. Oh, could be a chance here. He takes it on. Taking this on. And they've got themselves a corner now. Played into the box. They've given it away here. Got room to operate in here. Delivered into the middle. And away it goes. And the forward progress continues. For the lead now. Good patient build-up, but not quite the end product. And this is a positive-looking move. The effort shut out. Arango. And he'll have a go here. Well, in the end, it didn't give the keeper much trouble at all. Now there could be a real chance developing. Options available in the middle. Well, he went for power and got plenty of it, but it's whistled wide. And that's going to be it for the first 45 minutes. The ball is rolling and the second half is underway. Beautifully weighted ball. Promising looking attack this, but able to deal with the danger decisively, well defended. Cristian Arango. Espinoza. A turnaround in possession, excellent positioning. They're being afforded too much space here. Oh, worth a shot. And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep that out. Bit of a squeeze on here. And the hard work pays off. They won the ball. Good spell, looking for that all-important next goal. Oh, they've lost it. The attack is over.
Attention, Jay Diaz. Your wedding was found on the concourse. Please identify and claim your belongings at expiration.
The ball taken away from them. A little bit deep with the approach now. It'll come their way soon. That's not a bad-looking ball. Chops inside now. We'll have a go here. Very well kept out, alert and ready.
You just wonder how long before they take the lead here. They're certainly piling on the pressure. They just need that clinical finish now.
And now looking to apply further pressure from this position. Cristian Espinoza. Good run. Now, can he pick out the right option? Having a try. And the first blow is delivered. 1-0.
Well, let's take another look at this. What an excellent piece of skill to set up the opportunity. And then it's quite the finish too. Struck with real venom. And that's what makes it difficult for the keeper.
Goal.
And we're back underway at 1-0.
Number 10, Cristian Espinoza.
An attack of genuine promise now. And maybe that's a misconnection with the ball. It's well wide. Vitor Costa. Christian Arango. Espinoza. This is really nice. Another goal now would mean real control. And this could be. It's there! And it's a goal that's a real settler for them. 2 in front now.
Well, we can take another look at this again, and it all starts with the ball over the top, which gets them in behind. And then from that sort of range, he's never going to miss that, is he? It's an easy finish in the end.
2-0 then, as we get started again. Plenty of open space here. And the cross comes in. And the defence tidies up nicely. Now, there could be something on in a moment. Now it needs a good ball in. There still could be something happening here. And it's offside here. Christian Espinoza. This could be threatening. And that was hit from some distance and didn't miss by a great deal.
Didn't. He's certainly full of confidence, and to attempt the shot from there, that was close.
Nearly full time, and the fans in the away end are in party mode. What about the performance overall?
Yeah, you've got to say they deserve the victory. The work rate on and off the ball has been really good, and you can see they've got a real determination today, and it shows, and it would be an excellent result.
Options available in the middle. Now, this might be promising. Could be a chance. Well, he's kept that out nicely. And the ball comes in. The defence does its work. And delivered into the middle. Well, they could still do something here. And they're not going to benefit from a decent passage of play. Espinoza. Arango. Christian Espinoza. From a long way out. Oh, he tried to power it in. That's flown wide, absolutely flown. Making decent progress here. That's been viewed as a foul. A free kick's awarded. And it's not the best of clearances. And it's all over, with the away fans able to celebrate the win and the 3 points.
Yeah, it was fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park for the most part. And going forward, there was some real nice, incisive play too. It was a good result.
There have been a few good performances out there today, but of all the players on show, he's one that's really caught the eye.
Yeah, I thought he played well, got his goal, could have had another, but he linked play well today and got into dangerous positions. I'm sure he'll be happy with that.